Scribe Online Basic Map Conversion. For those users that are using basic maps within the classic version of Scribe Online, I'll refer to that as the Silverlight version. It is important to understand that when this version is retired, the editing of basic maps will not be supported in the contemporary release of Scribe Online, which I'll refer to as the HTML version. This does not suggest that your existing basic maps have become obsolete when moving forward to the HTML version of Scribe Online, provided they have been converted into integration maps should they require editing. Now, the intent of this short recording is to illustrate the simple process of converting your basic maps into integration maps so that they may be edited within the HTML version of Scribe Online. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at how this comes together. So here we're at my Scribe Online landing page, and I'm going to go ahead and sign into my instance. And where we end up is at the dashboard within the HTML version of Scribe Online. Here at the very top is the Solutions widget, and below it are all the solutions that make up this particular widget. Now, the one that I want to focus on today to share with you how to convert a basic map into an integration map, should you require editing against that map, is the very first one that you see in this list. So I'm going to click on it and look at the detail here within that particular solution. Down below in the map section, you can see that I have a few maps, and the ones that we're going to focus on in terms of the conversion are the ones that have been defined as a map type of basic. So this very first one in my list, which is referred to as Account Archive, is a basic map. So how do you convert that basic map? Now, before I do that, let me just say that these basic maps in this particular form within the HTML version of Scribe Online will continue to run. If you have it set to run on a particular frequency, they will continue to run. However, if I needed to drill into that particular map and make changes to it for whatever reason, you cannot do that until you convert it. So how does that conversion process work? Well, it's just a matter of clicking on the map, and this dialog appears. It gives you instructions as to what the conversion process is all about, as well as a link that will take you to our help file that will give you additional detail about this whole process. All right, so to convert it, all you simply need to do is click on Convert Now, and now my basic map has been converted into an integration map here within the HTML version of Scribe Online. So with this in place, all I need to do is click on OK. The map closes, and you can see now in my list the Account Archive map, the very first one in that list, has now been changed into a map type of integration. So as you can see here, the process was very simple to convert basic maps into integration maps. To summarize, with basic maps being uneditable within the HTML version of Scribe Online, all basic maps will require conversion before they can be modified or edited. With the end conversion of your basic maps into integration maps completed, you can now leverage all the features, functions, and benefits of the HTML version of Scribe Online. Thank you for watching this video.